to our channel. Today we're going to be making some French toast. It's a very simple and quick to do recipe, so I'm just going to show you the step-by-step process and just come along. To make your French toast, you don't really need a lot. You just need your brioche loaf, or if you know agege bread or the Nigerian or Ghanaian bread, I don't know what other people will call it, you can use that instead. So I got this from Sainsbury's, and you can also get it from Aldi and Tesco. And I've got in here my egg wash, so I've whipped some egg with a little bit of milk, and you can spice this up with some cinnamon or vanilla, whichever one you like if you fancy any of that. But I'm fine with just the egg wash. I don't want to season it with anything extra. So then another thing I'll say is that as you're getting ready with your egg wash and your loaf of bread, I would advise you to warm the pan, or maybe as you're actually dipping the bread in the egg wash, because it's nice when you dip it and you can just put it on fire immediately instead of waiting. But then I'll take you over and show you how we do the French toast. Now this is the next step, is to dip the bread in the egg wash. And like I said, you can spice this up with anything if you like. So you put that side in for a few seconds rather. One of the videos I was watching, the lady said if you count to M and then do the same thing for the other side, because you don't want it to get soggy, you just want it to get enough of the liquid. So you turn it to the other side and you repeat the same thing. And as I said earlier, before you do this, I would advise that you should have your pan hot and ready to use, so that once you've coated this in the egg wash, you just put it in the pan. And now that this is done, so this is all coated now that is all coated and ready, I just put it in the pan, and the pan is hot and ready for me, so that just goes in. And I do that till this side that is on is brown, and then I do the same thing for the next one, and you just repeat the process over and over again, depending on how much French toast you want to make. But this is just a very simple and easy to make. It's very nice for breakfast. You can top it with some fruit, some maple syrup, and if you're looking for the savory one, you can have it with some deep fried chicken. Thank you so much for watching our video today. Remember to like, subscribe and share, and let us know what you think, or if you'd like us to share any more specific videos, comment and let us know. Thank you. Bye.